If your shower suddenly turns cold or dangerously hot, notice exactly what happens elsewhere in the house at that moment. The trigger can reveal whether the problem is water demand, the shower valve, or the water heater. Does the temperature change when someone flushes a toilet, starts a washing machine, or opens another faucet? That change suggests the shower valve is not balancing hot and cold pressure correctly. An older shower may lack pressure balancing protection, while a modern one may have a worn or sticking cartridge. If the temperature changes even when no other fixture is running, move the handle slowly. A temperature that jumps instead of adjusting smoothly often points to mineral buildup or wear inside the mixing cartridge. Replacing it with the exact model may restore consistent control. Temperature that begins normally but gradually turns cold can indicate that the water heater is running out of hot water. A damaged heating element, sediment buildup, undersized heater, or failed dip tube may reduce the available supply. For a thermostatic shower, the temperature control cartridge may need cleaning, calibration, or replacement according to the manufacturer's instructions. Do not compensate by raising the water heater temperature excessively. Unpredictable hot water can cause serious burns, particularly for children and older adults. Stop using the shower if it suddenly becomes scalding. Note what triggers the change and how quickly it happens. That information will identify the system that needs attention and make the repair much faster.